How to crop video in CapCut. If you want to make reels from long-form content, or you want to crop specific part of the video, no need to worries. I will guide you entire steps. Whether you are using mobile or PC, all the steps are same, just make sure to watch till the end. Actually, it's pretty easy, mate. First of all, open your CapCut application and drag the video you want to crop. Or you can import as well. Then click on this plus icon to add the video into timeline. Now, if you want to make reels or shorts, just tap here on ratio and select according to your need, like I'm selecting 9:16 ratio, which often used for reels. From here, select the part of the video and your reels are ready. But if you want to crop specific part of the video, then select the video and tap on this resize icon. Now adjust the video according to your requirements. You can rotate the video from here, can change ratio as well. Once everything done, press confirm and your video will be cropped. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.